Imagine having the freedom to do whatever you want without ever having to worry about bills or emergencies. Sound like a dream, right? Well, today on Building Success, I'm sharing actionable tips from Tony Robbins Money, Master the Game to make that dream into a reality. I'm Stephen Cofer. I'm your host, and today we're going to break down some simple steps and secrets of saving and investing in a way that's simple, practical, and fun. Hit subscribe and join the Building Success family. We're here to help you crush your financial goals, grow your career, and build the life you deserve. Before we get started, let me just say that I'm not a financial advisor, and this video shouldn't be considered financial advice. I suggest seeking out a licensed finance professional to discuss your unique financial situation. Save first, not last. Tony Robbins emphasizes paying yourself first, and I couldn't agree more. Set aside a percentage of your income for savings before you spend a dime. This creates a habit and ensures that your future self will be taken care of. Start small, maybe 10%, and automate the process so that you never miss the money. I can't overemphasize the importance of automated savings. Your goal should be increasing that percentage over time, eventually targeting 20 to 25% or more. In The Richest Man in Babylon, another fantastic read I would recommend, we find the key phrase, "A part of all you earn is yours to keep." This is the portion that you should budget first, rather than what's left after everything else is paid. And if you're interested in learning more about budgeting, you can see my other video on budgeting for beginners. So remember, it's not how much money you make, it's about how much money you keep. It is critical that you spend less than you earn. Now, a pro tip. Think of saving like fueling up before a road trip. You're going nowhere without it. Build your freedom fund. In Money Master the Game, Tony talks about a freedom fund. This is the money that you set aside for your savings. He calls it a freedom fund because freedom is what it buys you, both now and in the future. It's important to realize that money itself is not the goal. Instead, it's about the places that money can take us, the time and the freedom money buys us. That's what we're really after. You're only limited by your imagination. Need to jumpstart your savings? Hopefully by now you've created a budget. Now go through your list of recurring expenses and see what you can do without. How much joy does each of these expenses bring you? How does that joy compare to the joy that you would feel with financial freedom? In my experience, as time passes and your interests change, the things that once brought you joy no longer do, or at least not to the extent that they once did. Now that we've discussed reducing expenses, let's discuss increasing income. What are you doing to become more valuable in the workplace? Are you working hard to improve yourself? Are you searching for ways to serve others? Taxes are a fact of life. However, what steps are you taking to reduce your tax burden? 401k and HSA plans are just a couple of examples of ways to reduce your taxable income. The power of compounding. Let's face it, you're not likely to be financially wealthy by only earning your way to it. Work, get the money, spend it, work some more. That's the American way. Your paycheck alone isn't the answer. Earned income can never compare to the power of compounding interest. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. By starting early, your money doesn't just grow, it snowballs. Let's say you invest $300 a month starting at age 20. By the time you're 60, you could have over $1 million thanks to compounding. Now, a practical tip. Start with index funds. Due to their low fees and market matching returns, it's a simple, low-risk way to enter the investing world. The important thing is just to start. Asset allocation and diversification. Asset allocation is the most important investment decision of your lifetime. Asset allocation is the key to staying wealthy. Tony Robbins emphasizes the importance of diversifying your investments. He goes as far as saying, diversify or die. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your risk across stocks, bonds, and other assets. This approach protects you during market downturns. And the best part, diversification doesn't cost you anything. Warren Buffett's rule of investing? Rule number 1, don't lose money. Rule number 2, see rule number 1. Now a pro tip. Think of diversification as the financial version of not ordering the same dish at every restaurant. You get variety and reduce regret. Saving and investing doesn't have to be intimidating. Whether it's building your freedom fund, harnessing compounding, or diversifying like a pro, these steps are your ticket to financial freedom. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. If you're ready to take control of your finances, hit like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what financial topics you'd like to see in the next Building Success. Together, we can build a life of abundance. This is Stephen Cofer reminding you, stay curious, stay hungry, and take control of your financial future.